Alright, Biz Bees are at it again. What are you doing on Sunday? We're looking for a parking spot at the beach for our next adventure.
So from the 5 freeway, you'll take Carlsbad Blvd Drive and head towards the beach or west. And it'll land you in a quaint little village known as Old Carlsbad or Downtown Carlsbad off of Carlsbad Blvd Drive. In Downtown Carlsbad, you'll find just on the east side of the train tracks between Carlsbad Blvd Drive and Tamarack Drive called the Coastal Rail Trail. This rail trail is just under 1 mile long and is completely flat and is totally awesome to take the kids out to ride on their bikes or scooters. Parking's at a premium on the weekends in downtown Carlsbad. So if you try to find one of the side streets down Tyler Street around Tyler and Oak is one of the better spots to park. Plenty of parking, and you can cruise around downtown Carlsbad. There's lots of fun shops and eateries for you to hang out at. Downtown Carlsbad has something for the whole family. My daughter found this monument to a bygone era and was surprised when she picked up the phone and looked at me and said, "Dad, it really works!" So after a fun, quick bike ride with the kids and you have them all tired out, we like to go get lunch. One of our favorite places is Harbor Fish Cafe, located on the corner of Highway 101 and Pine Avenue. Harbor Fish Cafe has a wide offering of fish from the grilled to the fried. One of our favorites is their fish and chips. We'll order 2 of their 2 fish and chips combos and share it amongst the 4 of us, and it's plenty of food. It's also a great place to take in a sunset. Next time you're wondering what to do on a weekend, load the kids up, head down to downtown Carlsbad, do the Coastal Rail Trail, and go find a fun eatery to eat lunch at. Make a video and let us know which places you love.